Hey everyone, I'm Trowa and welcome to my cave. I'm here to talk to you today about this kit. This is Kenbu from the Yyoukai Senki kit line anime, and this is a box. The smells Kenbu. And you probably have the question, should you get this kit? Should you buy it? Should you build it? I would say the answer is absolutely. You should build this kit, and it's enjoyable. It's absolutely fun. This kit is probably one of the best kits Bandai made. They're making the engineering, the articulation, design of this kit is absolutely fantastic. The designer of this kit, the Barbatos from Iron Blooded Orphans, is the same designer of the Kenbu and the Yyoukai Senki line of kits. And this should be in everyone's collection, and everyone should build this kit. It's absolutely fantastic. And you guys will have fun with this. So go and get it now and build it. It's absolutely a great kit. And you're missing out if you haven't. If you just like Gunpla or Gundams, you will like this kit. It's great and you'll enjoy it. So yeah, go do it now, and here's some glory shots of the kit. And I will see you guys next time. Please like, subscribe the video, and now let's get to those shots.